The Laser Tree 80-watt engraver kit is designed to provide a high-performance 10-watt laser output, allowing users to achieve faster engraving speeds and create a wide range of customized DIY projects. This engraver employs dual-beam precision technology with a fixed focus of 45 millimeters, enabling it to engrave directly on stainless steel without the need for pre-treatment. An integrated air assist system ensures clean and precise engravings by reducing surface temperature and preventing material distortion during operation. With its versatile application range, this engraver can handle materials like wood, stone, bamboo, and various metals, making it perfect for creating commercial signs and intricate models. The kit comes with all necessary components pre-packed and includes a detailed user manual, making installation straightforward and suitable for beginners. The Laser Tree engraver's compact size and Class 4 laser level make it a powerful tool for both hobbyists and small business owners.